Alright. Bought this snow blower 13 months ago. Brand new. You can tell it's never been used. Still hanging on it. Little tags. It's got 10 horse Tecumseh. I never heard of this brand. Noma Canadiana. Some kind of an off brand that I paid cheap dollars for. You can see right there. Never been used. Never been scuffed. I've started it one time. We got big snows heading this way. So it's time to give her a shot. I put the electric start on. It's also got a pull start. And we put this up choke. Turn this to start there. Keys in. See what we got.